So, good day everyone. I am Alin Mendoza Riparip, the reporter about the relations, tools, and audiences. To sum up, the public relations or PR, this is the process of creating a positive image and customer preference through third-party endorsements. PR is crucial for entrepreneur. It is involved cultivating a positive reputation and customer preference through endorsements from third party. It achieved through various activities that aim at creating a favorable image through the perceptions others have of one's establishment. So, a public relations can be used to address audiences such as employees, guests, community groups, other stakeholders, and a special audience. So, we have two types of audiences, which is regular audiences and special audiences. So, here are the tools for regular audiences for employees. A regularly produced printed or online newsletters, emails, webcast, bulletin board. So first, I will explain about the regular produced printed or online newsletters. So a regular produced printed or online newsletters is a tools of publications either in print or digital format that is created on a regular basis such as weekly, monthly, or quarterly to inform employees about the company news, updates, events, and other relevance. Next tools is emails. This tools is for something updates, announcements, reminders, and other important message directly to employees' inbox. It allows for quick disseminations of information to a large audiences. So, the third one is webcast. Webcasts are live or recorded audio or video presentations that are broadcasters over the internet. They can be used to deliver important message, training sessions, presentations, or events to employees who may be located in different geographic locations. Lastly, the tools for employees is bulletin boards, whether physical or digital, serve as centralized locations where notice, announcements, memos, and other informations can be posted for employees to see. It provides a visual way to communicate important information within the workplace. The next tools for regular audiences, which is the guest, we have printed and room collateral, personal letters from the general manager, newsletters, and TV programming. So, printed in room collateral, these are materials placed in a guest room such as brochures, pamphlets, or informational cards that provides details about the hotel's amenities, services, dining options, and other relevant information to enhance the guest experience. Next is the personal letters from the general manager. Ito yung personalized letters written by the general manager or another senior staff member to welcome guests to the establishments, expressing their appreciations for patronage and provide any special instructions or informations to make their stay memorable in the establishment. So the third one is the newsletters. Similar to the newsletters for employees, there are regular publications, printed or digital. This is distributed to guests to keep them informed about the upcoming events, promotions, service, and other relevant news related to their stay or establishment. Lastly, in the room TV programming. For instance, some hotels provide television channels dedicated to informing guests about hotel services, local attractions, dining options, and other useful informations during their stay. This serves as a convenience way to communicate with guests directly in their rooms. So another tools for regular audiences, we have the community groups. So participations in local civic areas and charitable endeavors. sponsorships of educational and recreational activities for community members, employees' contributions to local charity fund drive. So, this involve actively involving the organizations or its representatives in community events, civic activities, and charitable initiatives. It could include volunteering at a local charities, participating in community cleanup efforts, or attending town hall meetings to contribute to local discussions and decisions-making process. Next is the sponsorship for educational and recreational activities for community members. These tools, the organizations provide financial supports or resources to sponsor events, programs, or activities aimed at benefiting community members. This could include sponsoring sports teams, funding educational workshops or seminars, or supporting cultural events and festivals within the community. The last one tools is employee contributes to local charity fund drives. So in these tools, they encouraging employees to participate in local charity fund drives or volunteering programs. This could involve organizing donations, drive, fundraising events, or offering paid time for employees to volunteering and community service projects. So this media press are the last tools for regular audience. It involved press conference and events, media visits, press release. So press conference and events, these are organized gatherings where representatives of the organizations or individuals associated with a particular event or announcement provide information, updates, and answer to questions from members of the media. Press conferences are commonly used to announce major developments, unveil new products or initiatives, or address significant issues. Next is the media visits. This involves inviting members of the media to visit the organization's facilities, offices, or events venues to provide them with the first-hand experience or access to information relevant to their coverage. Media visits allow journalists to gather information, conduct interviews, take photographs, or film footage for their news stories. Press releases are the official statements or announcements issued by the organizations to inform the media and the public about the newsworthy events, developments, or updates. Press releases typically contain relevant information, quotes from key figures, and conduct details for media inquiries. They are distributed to journalists and media outlets to generate coverage and publicity. So, another public relations tool for special audiences. We have a travel writers, conventions and visitors bureaus, and trade shows. Here are the tools for travel writers, which is detailed press release, creative email speeches to encourage writers to visit the write about the property, good selections of photos in a CD. So, in the detailed press release, highlight key informations, stories, angles, in compiling aspects that may interest travel writers and attract their attentions. There are comprehensive writer statements or announcements provided to travel writers to inform them about the unique features, amenities, offerings, and news related to the property or destinations. The next tools for travel writers, which is the creative email speeches to encourage writers to visit and write about the property. It involves crafting personalized and engaging email speeches addressed to travel writers to invite them to visit the property, experience its offerings firsthand, and potential writes about their experiences. Email speeches may include tailored story ideas, invention, invitations for exclusive experience or events, and initiatives to entice travel writers to visit and cover the property in their article or blog post. The third one, for writer travel tools, which is the good selections of photos in a CD. It provides a CD or digital portfolio containing high quality and visually appealing photographs of the property, its facilities, amenities, surroundings, and attractions. These photos serve as a visual asset that travel writers can use to enhance their articles, blog posts, or social posts about the property and showcasing the property in the best possible highlight. So next, tools for special audience, conventions, and visitors bureaus. Their tools is sponsorships of trade fairs, detailed sales kit. So for sponsorship of trade fairs, we have this is a frequently sponsor or take part in the trade fairs, industry conference, and networking events within the tourism, hospitality, and events sectors. Through these sponsorships, CUBS or conventions and visitor bureaus can highlight their destinations, connect with important stakeholders, and draw attention from the potential visitors, events organizer, and travel professionals. Next is the detailed sales kit. So, detailed sales kits provided by conventions and visitors bureaus or CUBS offers a comprehensive set of promotional materials to potential clients, events planners, tour operators, and other stakeholders interested in hosting events or promoting travel to the destinations. It includes brochures, map, image, videos, and more, highlighting the destination's attractions, accommodations, transportations options, facilities, services, and unique features. The purpose is to provide details, information, spark interest, and aid decisions making for this considering the destinations for events. So the last tools for special audience, which is the trade shows. We have the personal meeting between PR manager and media representatives, media coverage during the trade show. So these tools used to engage them include personal meetings between the PR manager and media representative to discuss coverage and establish a relationship. Additionally, ensuring media coverage during the trade show will help to promote the events and reach a wider audience. So here are the important points to remember. Number 1 is effective PR begins with the top management. The public relations head manage how the product or service will be regarded by the public. But it's the top management who leads in creating good public relations. The owner or the general manager should be at the forefront of communicating positive informations to various audience. The employees take their cue from how the leader creates a positive impressions. That is the core of Donald Trump's success. In one of his books, he mentions that agreeing to be part of the television show, The Apprentice, has helped him creating a positive image of his mini businesses. So, this is because they set the tone and directions for the entire organizations. It also provides resources and support necessary for PR efforts to succeed, such as budget allocations, staff training, and integrations within other businesses functions. Additionally, top management often holds authority and credibility, which can enhance the effectiveness of PR initiatives within the actively participate and endorse them. Overall, when the top management is engaged in PR, it fosters a culture of transparency, trust, and accountability within the organizations, which is contribute to long-term success. In the case of Donald Trump's, her expose helped him create a positive image of his mini businesses ventures, demonstrating the influence of top managements in the shaping public perceptions. So number 2, no amount of PR can overcome the flow product. Public relations can create a positive image of any product, but no amounts of PR can overcome a bad product. So there is still no substitute for coming up within the good product. There is no shortcut to success. So no amount of product can overcome a flow product. Underscore the importance of product quality in building and maintaining a successful businesses. Even the most skilled PR tactics, if the product itself is slow, the customers will eventually realize its shortcomings through personal experience or reviews from others. So this statement emphasizes that while PR can enhance the image of a product, it cannot compensate for its inherent flaws. Creating a good product is indispensable as there are no shortcuts to achieving their success. So that is all my parts. Thank you for listening.